it is time for an exercise. Let us do a simple exercise. Hope you will not have any doubts anymore, because I have clarified all your doubts. But still, if you have any doubt, list down your doubts in the exercise box on your mobile phone or computer, so that I can figure out, and if possible we'll also get back to you with our reply. Whatever doubts which are still left, not clarified completely, just write it down. Alright, it's time for the exam now. 5 questions we are going to take in this module also. Question number 1. Does solar energy work in rainy season? Does it still generate power whenever it's drizzling, when it is cloudy? Yes? No? Question number 2. What is the efficiency of commercially available solar PV technology? A. 3 to 6%, B. 7 to 9%, C. 10 to 14%, D. 16 to 20%. Question number 3. At what rate government is buying solar electricity through its bidding? Various governments are buying in India. What rate? 2 to 3 rupees per unit, 4 to 5 rupees per unit, 6 to 8 rupees per unit, 9 to 12 rupees per unit. Very simple. We have discussed it already. And the question number 4. Which type of maintenance is required in solar system? You require greasing, you require oiling, you require dusting, or none of these? Simple. Question number 5. The efficiency of solar panels as compared to coal-based solar system is A. Greater, B. Less, C. Equal, none of the above. Alright, so that is it about the clearing misconceptions about the use of solar energy. And I hope you have really enjoyed and this clarification of your misconception. You learned from it. You became more energy literate with this module. So once again, thank you very much for being part of this energy literacy training. And last but not least, let us go to the module number 12.